Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. This is Tara. Well, I am Tara. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Grateful gang, gang, gang. If I feel a little lower to you, it's earlier in the morning. People are sleeping. I'm trying to get it out of the way before I start my work day. On this channel, we do budgeting content as well as we are on my first time home ownership journey. So if you're interested in any of that, please consider subscribing to the channel. So let's get right into why we're here today, which is budgeting out my second paycheck of February. I get paid every week because currently I'm through it is not in 9:30, 8:30. I am through a company, like an agency. We're working on fixing that. Okay, so paycheck 2. Let's go see what we got. Here we had zeroed out. As you guys know, I always zero base budget down to the zeros. And then we got $573.89, which is our normal. $573.89. So we'll add that is our income. And we had no rollover. We're going to do our same giving of $10. If you don't know, I've decided to keep hoarding $10 every week until the second quarter, which I guess starts April. And I'm going to create some kits for the homeless and hand them out probably in April. So next thing we have no cell phone, no Ultra credit card. Oh, and just a quick to y'all, just like a quick thing. When I had that whole issue with the needing to find a job to apply for the mortgage, if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above for you, whichever side that is. Okay, that's not whatever. Y'all know. I did, after I was done coming down and thinking things out, realize I should probably ask them what I can do to better my chances in the future. And so one person did get back to me and said that I should actually be using my cards at a very low limit every month and hitting my credit so that it shows that I'm responsibly using my cards. So I'm going to start trying to put like one $10 thing on each card every month. We'll see. I might just buy myself Amazon gift cards with like the Visas and the MasterCards, and then they'll just chill there and I can just use them when I feel like it. All right. So just a tip there. Cell phone. Got paid already? No. Oh, the Visa credit card does currently have, I believe, $160 on it. I am going to pay some of it. It's going to come out of the travel sinking fund. All of it's going to come out of the travel sinking fund because when I swiped the card, I was using it for my trip to Alabama to go get my citizenship. So that doesn't come out of this money. So that's not what I'm showing. That's why I'm not showing to you, but I will explain it to you. Well, you might see it when I transfer the money in and out. So when that does hit, I'll explain it to you then. Parents' house bill is $315. I'm going to do half of it now and half of it in the next check. $157.50. So I'm just going to make this one $158. We'll put $158 away and hold your horses. We're going all the way until the 17th. This check is going from $210 to $216. So right now, that would be the last thing we had to really worry about was a parent's bill, which is due on the 16th, which if we paid a day later when the next check comes in, it's not a big deal. Student, since I've been paying it, it's actually being paid more on time than it was getting paid before, but y'all ain't heard that from me. None of these other things would be due then. Perfect. So now our normal things start right here. There's nothing on my upgrade card. There's nothing on any of these other things. So we have $25 that needs to be moved for house savings. I need to take $100 out. So that's going to stay pink because we actually need to take that money out. Zero out challenge is going to get $3.89. And sinking funds we'll leave in pink because those come out automatically on Friday, and we'll update those with our closeout. And then we'll figure out what we're putting to the house savings. Okay, so let's go ahead and move that money. 25. We need to move 25, 389, $10. Let's go. All right, transfers. $10 is going to hold your horses right now. Success. Right, and then we've got to transfer the 158 into hold your horses as well. Hold your horses where I move money that I plan on using in the future, but it's just being held right there. What did I say that was for? Oh, the parents' bill. Success. And then we have to move our $25 into our house emergency fund. One time, two times. The big HEF. Success. And one more is for our zero out. Wait, did we move our zero out challenge already? Let me double check. Nope. We moved 10, 0, 25. Okay, we didn't move it yet. So we're going to transfer our 389. Hold on. Yep, 389 into our zero out challenge. Boom, success. Yes, okay. All right, so we have moved the $10. We moved this money. We moved this money. Yep, and this money. So now we have 227 left. And we're going to go ahead and put $200 to our house savings. And we're going to leave $27 in the buffer. Still trying not to touch it, but this is not the challenge this month. This month's challenge is Frugalish February, where we're trying to hit 20 days of no spends out of the 28 days. So I'm going to go ahead and move $200. One last transfer, guys. I like my transfers. To my humble home. $200 for the house savings. Boom. Success. Okay. All right. We're at 177 even. So let's go ahead and first let me update. I'm going to make this pink because we always want to add all our pink together to make sure we have exactly 177, which I can see in my head is right. So let's just go ahead and add that right now because I can see it's right. We have 100 plus 50 plus 27, 177. Boom. And like that and like so, like Miss Tabitha would say, okay? We are balanced out. We both have 177 left in the bank and we have 177 left to take out. And now we just need to update our house savings total and add 2,921. I don't know why some are long and some are short. We put $200, and that is for our February check number 2. Where we at now? Oh, we're so close to the 8,000 mark, you guys. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so excited. But so even though we're on pause right now, house hunting or anything, we're still, the plan is to keep saving. So we have $7,901.16. Let's make sure that's what our house fund says, because y'all know we got to click in it. 7,901.16, 7,901.16. So perfect. If you hear my phone, it's just all the transfers we're doing. And then the goal initially is 12,000. So we only have about less than 5,000 left to go. Almost about to be less than 3. I mean, we're about to hit under 3, right? After we get another 100 in or so. Okay, so let's go ahead and think. So this is updated. We figured out that we did actually get to 0 and we figured out what's exactly left in the bank. So y'all, that is pretty much it. We are done with February. We will come back for the closeout of week number 2 and we'll fill in all our actuals. Hopefully everything will be on point and everything will be fine. We don't really have anything too unexpected that should be coming out, but girl, you never know. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful, and I'm super duper grateful for you. Can't talk. It's early. Super duper grateful for you. Grateful. Gang, gang, gang. Remember, y'all, faith over fear forever. Forever, forever, ever. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.